Okay, I've been receiving requests on the admission requirement for different courses, different programs in now. So this video is just specifically on how to check requirements for any program you want to study in now. So you go to the NOUN website for registration, the admission portal, nouonline.net. You can see it here. Maybe you type it. You can see it here, nouonline.net. All right. NOU, not now online. It is NOU online. Look at the spelling correctly. Okay, you go to nouonline.net, forget about whatever is in front of it. Then you will see, scroll down, you will see apply for admission. Can you see that here? Apply for admission. You open it, you open the link. You will see other menus. Can you see? Here you see undergraduate, postgraduate. I'm just going to enter undergraduate first. Then in a brief moment, I'll come back to undergraduate, to postgraduate, sorry. So here is the proper link. If you want to skip the protocols, you go straight to admission. That's the current link. Admission.nou. Can you see that? You can see here www.admissions.nou. So when you go there, it will bring you directly to the portal, the page for this admission and requirements. Okay, this one is specifically for undergraduates. So you scroll down. It's better you start from the home page, nouonline.net, then pick undergraduates and start coming here, right? Or when you get here, you go to the menu, you go to apply, you will see either undergraduates or postgraduates. Either way, it will work for you. Now, the first step is to pick the faculty, right? Which faculty are you applying for? Even if you don't know, you can open all of them. Just it's free. You open any one, and then you see the requirement. Like this person asked me for something about public health, so I went to Faculty of Health Sciences. He asked me requirements for public health. So if it's public health, okay, I think the person came back again and said environmental management and toxicology. I think it's under science, Faculty of Science. I didn't reply that one. But then let's say you touch sciences. When it reloads and comes back, you scroll down. If it were a computer, you look to the right side of the screen, you should see these ones. So these are the list of courses under programs under Faculty of Science in now. So we go for the person requested uh, environmental management and toxicology. So you open it. So when you open it, it will ask you which level would you like to go into. If you choose 100 level, it may not be acceptable. Let's say 100 level, it's allowed. For this program, is allowed, but for public health, no. It's from 200 level onwards. So here's your requirement for this program. Do you have English and Maths credit? Credit in English and Maths? Then any of biology, agricultural science or health science, you have credits in those? If yes, you click apply and then proceed to the next. So that's how to check for uh, requirement for any program at all. All you have to do is pick the faculty first, then scroll down or check the right if you are using a computer, pick the program. So let's try the same thing for postgraduate. It's the same thing, even for PhD. So for postgraduates, you come here, pick a faculty. Let's say Faculty of Education. Pick Faculty of Education. You scroll down, you will see programs listed under this faculty. Can you see that? You can see PGD and MED, the Masters in Education Technology, for instance. You open it. Can you see that? Here are your requirements. There's no entry level here, Once you say masters is 800 level, when you say PGD is 700 level, then that's the difference. You will not be picking levels here. So that's it. It's not that complicated. For the beginning, the first requirement is that even if it's this masters, you still have to make your credits in English and mathematics at O level. They are compulsory. They are compulsory O level requirement. Then second class in any of these programs below. Any of these programs, whether biology education, physics education, chemistry, or whatever, anyone, look at that. They are here. Physical education, as long as you have second class or lower or higher, even first class, you can get admission into any into this program. So that's it. It's not that difficult.